Autonomous, match 46. 3, 2, 1, go. Red, 3528B, scores one in the 20-point in Autonomous. Nicely done. Blue scores in the 5, but it's not enough. Red gets the Autonomous. 3, 2, 1, go. 1429B picks up their low and puts it in the 20. Increasing that one by 15 points. Now they're making their way across the field. Trying to get to that blue base. 35, 20, 33, 35, 32, scoring up on top, giving the high point bonus so far. 1429B, second mobile goal into their scoring position. $60 seconds left to go in this match. Right now, red still has the lead because of the Autonomous. Blue trying to answer back on the top, which they do. Blue trying to get up on top again. They do. Red trying to answer back on theirs. Oh, they knock them off. 30 seconds left to go. Red moving into a third, trying to get that third mobile goal score, mobile base. Ten seconds left to go. Looks like 1429 and their partner are stuck on each other. Red, in the meantime, scores their fourth goal. Red should take that one easily with all the bonus points that they picked up.